Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 BMW X3 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once we finish prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure you align the tint right to the edge of the headlight here. Just place the film and just tuck it in inside to cover the lens here. So once you have it right on the edge, we're going to lift the film and start applying Tack Solution underneath the film. Make sure it stays aligned. Apply Tack Solution on top. Grab your squeegee. Make sure you're holding the film in position. And with the squeegee, start tightening down to secure it. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film here. That way we're able to anchor the film to this section of the headlight. One thing you can do just to help the adhesive activate faster is just applying a little bit of heat and then helping it tack down with your squeegee again. And that way it's able to secure to the headlight more faster. Once this area is secured, now we can move on to the next step, which is stretching the film to reach to this end right here. So now that we've finished tacking down the film on this end, all we need to do now is stretch this section of the tint and reach the film up to the edge of the headlight here. So to stretch the film, just apply Slip Solution underneath the film. So place your hand here, and also while you're stretching, just hold it in here too. That way we're able to help the film stretch and guide it to align it to the top and the bottom. So make sure this whole area is dry, that way you have good grip, and then just stretch the film until it reaches to the edge. So it should reach it up to the end there. Make sure everything stays aligned here. So hold it in position, and once you have it on the edge, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath the film. That way we can start tacking down the film, and the adhesive is able to activate faster with the Tack Solution. So just help it tack down the edge. Make sure you just hold it just for a couple seconds. That way the adhesive is able to activate. And then just use your squeegee to start tacking down the film on this end. And then slowly start tacking down this section here. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. Just apply Tack Solution, that way your squeegee is able to glide without getting stuck on the film. Once we have this whole area secured, now we're going to focus on removing the fingers that we have here and also the small fingers that we have on top here. So just make sure, keep everything aligned, bring the film down to cover the bottom section, that way you don't have too much material on top, and just start tagging it down. Another thing you can do just to help remove the fingers is by applying a little bit of Tack Solution with heat, and that should remove the fingers. So Tack Solution, and just use the low setting on the heat gun and apply heat to help shrink the fingers. So bring the film down, hold it, that way it doesn't go back up, and then apply heat. To tack it down, just go ahead and spray Tack Solution once more. That way your squeegee is just able to glide and start tacking down the film. And you could also use your microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that's trapped underneath. So just squeegee at an angle like this, and all the fingers that you had here should be gone. Just make sure to take your time tagging down the fingers, that way you don't crease it, and then just repeat the same step for the top. Everything should be aligned, so just apply a little bit of heat and then just help it tack down. And then once we're done securing this end, we'll move on to the last step, which is post heating. So once you're done with the installation, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire headlight. So all you need to do is apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use a microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges while we're using our heat gun. For the heat gun, you can use the high or the low setting. Just make sure if you are using the high setting not to be too close to the film, that way we don't accidentally burn it. So just take your time applying heat evenly throughout the lens, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 BMW X3. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.